The wonderful Koneprusia Trilobite from Morocco, a journey to the Devonian era. Imagine a world over 380 million years ago, long before dinosaurs roamed the Earth. A time when vast oceans covered much of the planet, and life flourished in the depths. This is the Devonian Period, often called the Age of Fishes, but it was also the Golden Age of Trilobites. And today, we're diving into the story of one of the most fascinating trilobites of all, the Koneprusia from Morocco. Meet the Koneprusia, a striking trilobite known for its unique, spiny appearance. This ancient arthropod once thrived in the warm, shallow seas of what is now modern-day Morocco. Its elaborate spines weren't just for show, they likely served as a defense mechanism against predators, making it one of the most distinctive trilobites of the Devonian period. During the Lower to Middle Devonian, the oceans were teeming with life. Corals, brachiopods, and early fish shared the waters with trilobites like Koneprusia. But what makes this trilobite so special? Its spines. Unlike many other trilobites, Koneprusia evolved these dramatic extensions, possibly to deter predators or to help it navigate the seafloor. Today, the fossils of Koneprusia are found in the rich sedimentary layers of Morocco. These fossils are meticulously excavated by skilled paleontologists and fossil preparers, who work tirelessly to reveal the intricate details preserved in the rock. Each fossil is a window into the past, telling the story of a creature that lived millions of years ago. Look closely, and you'll see the incredible preservation of its segmented body, compound eyes, and those iconic spines. Each detail is a testament to the remarkable process of fossilization, capturing a moment frozen in time. Trilobites like Koneprusia are more than just fossils, they're a glimpse into the history of life on Earth. They remind us of the incredible diversity and adaptability of ancient creatures, and how much our planet has changed over millions of years. So, the next time you hold a fossil or see one in a museum, remember the story it tells. The Koneprusia Trilobite is more than a relic of the past, it's a connection to a world that once was, and a reminder of the wonders that still lie buried beneath our feet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more wonders of the ancient world with us.